Good morning. So I'm back in Bali. Why am I back in Bali? I think when you're traveling for a long time, you have to sort of find a place to slow down for a while and to stop in. And for me, this time, I want that to be Bali. So I'm going to be here, I think, for the next month, or maybe the next 2 months, and trying to live here for a while. I've already been here for a few days. I've just been in my hotel room, cracking on with some work, catching up on some things. But now, my friends are still here, so I'm going to go meet them. They've been on a little motorcycle trip around the north of Bali. I'm going to go get a bike today and go and find them and have a bit of fun. So first, I need to go drop off my bag somewhere and then jump on a bike. I've dropped off my bags in a hostel where I'm going to be staying at in a few days, and now just renting a bike. There it is. So I've been driving for about half an hour and I still have an hour and a half to go to get to Virgin Beach, which is where I'm meeting Rich and Joe, my friends. But I'm starving, haven't had breakfast yet, so I decided to stop and get some food before making the rest of the journey. Even better. Let's go. Excuse me, I'm looking for 2 boulets. What's up, guys? Cool. You just get it?
Yeah.
Sweet. Nice.
For a boulet as well.
Oh, really? Made a friend.
It's called Sheila.
Nice place. So we've been chilling here for most of the afternoon, but now look at this. Clouds are rolling in. Here we go. Now it begins. Okay. That's come in like 5 seconds. And the whole landscape has changed. Oh my god! Ah! It might blow over, he says.
It's blowing over! It's going! Where do you think it is?
Okay, so we waited out the storm kinda, and now we're going to jump back on the bikes and head to wherever we're staying tonight, which we don't actually know where that is yet. We're going to go and find somewhere to stop off for the night. Ding! Okay, it's looking wet. Yeah, I know, it's nice, right? Let's go. So right, we settled on Uber to stop for the night. Everywhere we're going at the moment is completely fully booked. It's only 7 o'clock at night. We've just been to 4 hostels already, and they're already booked. So we're gonna just keep looking. Down some dodgy back alley. How do we even get out of here? Well, we just found this place online quickly, and it says there's 3 beds available. But let's find out if there's anyone here.
Everyone except this and this.
Oh, okay, cool.
Cool. Wow. So much room for activities.
Yeah, Alex.
Right. After all that, we finally arrived in a place, and it's pretty nice, actually. 75,000. It's about $5 for the night. It's the hotel. I say hotel. It's a hostel. We have triple bunk beds. But yeah, anyway, now we found it. I'm gonna go find some food and then chill out for the rest of the night. So again, thanks for watching, and this is my life.